Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you 3 cute little planters which you can make with waste materials, so let's get started. For all the 3 planters I am using the ll3 cup. Make a hole in the bottom. For the first planter I am painting the cup mustard. Once the paint is dried, take a piece of wool then start rolling the wool. Then paste it on the cup using glue. And roll the wool more to make a perfect circle. Make more such circles. Then wrap a piece of wool at the upper edge. First planter is ready. For the second planter, paint the cup blue. Then using a hot glue gun, make small lines. You need not follow a particular pattern. Make the lines randomly. Once you have made all the lines, start painting them in different colors. And look how cute our second planter looks. For the third planter, paint the cup yellow and then start drawing an emoji of your choice. Start painting the emoji. And here our third planter is also ready. Look how cute it looks. And here all the 3 planters are ready to decorate your balcony or garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do hit like button and subscribe my channel for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.